Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a little video today, a little bit different from what I've been doing lately, but this is a project I worked on quite a few years ago. Um, we had our fence that we're kind of working on trying to make it rustic, and I made some little planters to put along the fence, and this is back in early 2010, 2011. And I thought it looked cool, and there's some in-ground planters I built as part of it too, just kind of playing around. But back then I really didn't do anything on YouTube. I didn't have a blog. So what do? You put pictures on Anna White back in the day, right? That's what I did. Anyway, got tons of visits, tons of, and ever since then it's just kind of taken a life of its own. Like that one's not actually my picture there, but it's somebody that did a product just like it. And they're on this pen, they actually put my picture with that other picture together. Here you can see in the upper left-hand corner, it was actually a finalist in one of the Rockler woodworking videos. I didn't win anything, but not better. Lowe's actually did something similar. They had a video. I haven't been able to find the video. It looks like it was taken down, but they kind of walked you through step by step on how to do this. And I mean, it's really kind of weird how obviously patterned after my picture it was, but that's okay. I'm waiting on the royalty check from Lowe's. I assume I'll still be waiting for a while. But again, this thing has been everywhere. That again, more pictures all over the web. People have posted, "Hey, here's 26 great ideas on how to put use your fence to produce herbs or whatever." And even that one right there is actually my picture again, which is fine. I don't care if people use my picture. I just always find it ironic. This person did a pretty good job there. I like all the stuff I'm getting. This person took my pictures for some reason and tried to spruce them up a little bit, kind of rounded the edges, give them a little darker, look. There you can really see what part of the fence we had stained and what we hadn't, but anyway, it makes me look lazy there. I guess you can see it there too. That's back to the original picture. But anyway, guys, if you like this at all, please like and subscribe. I'm going to try to get around to building some more of these planters for our existing fence, and I will definitely video it and show you guys how to do it. Thanks.